Hello students, welcome back to our session. As I told yesterday, we are going to see a new story that will be very interesting and easy for you. Do you know the story name? Yes, the story name is Hot Samosas. What is the story name? Hot Samosas. The spelling for the word hot samosa? H-O-T, hot. S-A-M-O-S-A-S. Hot samosas. Do you like samosa, students? How many of you like samosas? Okay, I too like samosas. Shall we begin the story? Okay. First, I will read the sentence. You listen it. Appa likes cooking. Ammu likes watching him cook. I will repeat it. Appa likes cooking. Ammu likes watching him cook. See students, what do you see in this picture? Yes, two members are there. This is Appa and this is Ammu. That is, Ammu is Appa's daughter. Appa likes to cook very much, but Ammu likes just watching what her Appa is cooking. She don't know to cook because she is a small child like you. Shall we go to the next page? Okay. What is Appa cooking today? What is Appa cooking today? We can see in this picture, Appa is reading a book. Yes, Appa is reading a menu book for what he is going to cook. What is Appa cooking today? Like that Ammu is thinking. What our father is going to cook today? Like that Ammu is thinking. Next. Puri and potatoes. Amma's favorite. Vegetable noodles. Appa's favorite. Fried rice. Ammu's favorite. I will read the same sentence once again. Puri and potatoes. Amma's favorite. Vegetable noodles. Appa's favorite. Fried rice. Ammu's favorite. We can see in this picture, Ammu is thinking whether father is going to cook puri and potatoes. That is Amma's favorite. Or vegetable noodles. That is Appa's favorite. Or fried rice. That is Ammu's favorite. Like that Ammu is thinking, but still she don't know what her father is going to cook today for her. Do you have any guess, students? What Ammu's father is going to cook? Okay, let's see. Now we are moving to next page. Ammu sees vegetables on the table. The vegetables look fresh. I am repeating again. Ammu sees vegetables on the table. The vegetables look fresh. Whenever we read, we have to read the sentence 2 times. Then only we can understand what is given in the sentence. So, I am also reading 2 times for your better understanding. In this picture, we can see Appa is cutting some vegetables and some vegetables also there. Drumstick is there, tomato is there, carrot is there, onion is there and some leaf is there. Ammu sees some vegetables kept on the table and the vegetables look very fresh. Okay students, I will ask one question. Where do we buy vegetables? Yes, we buy vegetables from the market. Whether we can use the vegetables as it is? No, first we should make it clean, then we can use it. That is very good habit. After washing the vegetables only, we should use for preparing dish. Okay students, we are moving to next page. Appa cuts red onions and green chilies. Appa cuts red onions and green chilies. Chop, chop, chop. Ammu peels boiled potatoes. Ammu peels boiled potatoes. In this picture, Ammu is doing something in the kitchen. At first, she was just standing with her father what her father is cooking. But now she is helping her father, it seems. Yes, as we saw in the previous page, Appa is cutting onions and green chilies. When he cuts, Ammu hears the sound chop, chop, chop. Have you heard the same sound when your mother cut any vegetables at kitchen? Yes, Ammu also heard the same sound chop, chop, chop. Then she is helping her father. Ammu peels boiled potatoes. Peels means removing the skin of a fruit or vegetable. She peels boiled potatoes. Boiled means steamed potatoes. Ammu is helping to her father. Helping is a good habit. Like Ammu, we should also help others. If anybody is doing for us means, if anybody is doing any work for us means, we can also help them. Okay, students. Next, Appa makes dough with flour, salt and water. Mix, mix, mix. Knead, knead, knead. We can see in this picture, Appa is mixing something. Yes, Appa is making dough for preparing dish. The dough is a mixture of flour, water and salt. Yes, Appa also doing in the same way. Appa is making dough with flour, salt and water. Then he mixing it well. After mixing the dough, he kneads it. Knead means crushing or pressing something. Okay, students. Next, we are moving to next page. Ammu touches the dough. Ammu touches the dough. The dough is soft and smooth. The dough is soft and smooth. In this picture, we can see Ammu touches the dough that was made by her father. She touches the dough and she feels the dough is very soft and smooth. But still she don't know what her father is going to cook today. Shall we move to next page? Okay. Appa is making samosas. Appa is making samosas. Everybody's favorite. Appa is making samosas. Everybody's favorite. What do you see in this picture, students? What do they look like? Yes, they look like samosas. Appa is making samosas. That is not only Amma's favorite, not only Appa's favorite. That is a favorite food for everyone. In her house, everyone likes samosas. So, Appa is making samosas for everyone. That is everybody's favorite. Do you like samosas? Okay, I too like samosas. Ammu also likes samosas. And that is everybody's favorite in her house. Okay. Shall we move to next page? Appa heats oil in a pan. He fries the samosas in the oil. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. What a noise they make. Yum, yum, yum. Ammu sniffs the air. I will read the sentence once again. Appa heats oil in a pan. He fries the samosas in the oil. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. What a noise they make. Yum, yum, yum. Ammu sniffs the air. Yes, Appa kept a pan on a stove and he pours some water. Then he heats it well. After heating the oil, he puts the samosas to fry it. That is, he fries the samosas. When he fries, Ammu can hear the sound sizzle, 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 and she says, "What a noise they make!" Then Ammu sniffs the air. Sniff means smell. That is, Ammu smells the air. In air, she can feel the taste of samosas. So she says, "Yum, yum, yum." That is, she tells samosas taste very yummy. Okay. Next, the samosas are hot. The samosas smell wonderful. The samosas are crispy. The samosas taste delicious. I'm repeating the same sentence one more time. The samosas are hot. The samosas smell wonderful. The samosas are crispy. The samosas taste delicious. Yes, now the samosas are ready and Ammu also ready to eat it. But the samosas are hot. The samosas smell wonderful and the samosas looks very crispy. It tastes also delicious. And she eating the samosas with smile. Next, thank you Appa. Thank you Appa. Next, after eating the samosas, Ammu is going near to her father and she would like to say thank you for preparing the best food for her. And she likes the samosas also very much. If anybody do any help for us means we should tell thank you to them. That is very good habit. We should say the magical word thank you. That is a very good habit. We should also follow it like Ammu throughout our life. So Ammu also going to her father and saying thank you Appa for your best food. The samosas also very taste like that Ammu is telling. Then your samosas are the best. Your samosas are the best. Ammu hugs her father and tells with a smile, your samosas are the best one Appa. That was very nice and tasty. She says your samosas are the best. Okay students, with that we came to the end of the story. I hope you all have enjoyed the story Hot Samosa. Then we learnt many new things in this story and we learnt two good things also. That is two good habits also. One is helping to others. And second one is saying the magical word thank you. Whenever do any help to us, anyone, we should say thank you to them. Yes, from Ammu we learnt two new good things. One is helping others and saying the magical word thank you. I hope students you all have enjoyed this story, the Hot Samosa. Next, we are going to read the new words. As we completed the story, we have seen many new words. Yes, that we are going to revise once again. I will read the words one by one. You listen it carefully. Then you can also read the words repeatedly. Cook, watch, favorite, fresh, chop, peel, boil. C-O-O-K, cook. C-O-O-K, cook. W-A-T-C-H, watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite. Fresh. F-R-E-S-H, fresh. F-R-E-S-H, fresh. Chop. C-H-O-P, chop. P-E-E-L, peel. P-E-E-L, peel. Boil. B-O-I-L, boil. B-O-I-L, boil. Dove. D-O-U-G-H, dove. F-L-O-U-R, flour. K-N-E-A-D, knead. K-N-E-A-D, knead. Smooth. S-M-O-O-T-H, smooth. S-M-O-O-T-H, smooth. Sizzle. S-I-Z-Z-L-E, sizzle. Sniff. S-N-I-F-F, sniff. S-N-I-F-F, sniff. Delicious. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S, delicious. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S, delicious. I expect students you all listen the new words clearly. Next, we are going to do the reading practice once again for your better reading. Shall we do reading practice now? Okay, I will read the story from the first to the end once again. You listen it carefully. After watching this video also, you can using your book or repeatedly watching this video, you can do reading practice. Okay, hot samosas. Appa likes cooking. Ammu likes watching him cook. Appa likes cooking. Ammu likes watching him cook. What is Appa cooking? What is Appa cooking? What is Appa cooking today? Next, puri and potatoes. Amma's favorite. Vegetable noodles. Appa's favorite. Fried rice. Ammu's favorite. Puri and potatoes. Amma's favorite. Vegetable noodles. Appa's favorite. Fried rice. Ammu's favorite. Ammu sees vegetables on the table. The vegetables look fresh. Ammu sees vegetables on the table. The vegetables look fresh. Appa cuts red onions and green chilies. Appa cuts red onions and green chilies. Chop, chop, chop. Ammu peels boiled potatoes. Appa makes dough with flour, salt and water. Mix, mix, mix. Knead, knead, knead. Mix, mix, mix. Knead, knead, knead. Then Ammu touches the dough. The dough is soft and smooth. The dough is soft and smooth. Appa is making samosas. Appa is making samosas. Everybody's favorite. Appa is making samosas. Everybody's favorite. Appa heats oil in a pan. He fries the samosas in the oil. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. What a noise they make. Yum, yum, yum. Ammu sniffs the air. The samosas are hot. The samosas smell wonderful. The samosas are crispy. The samosas taste delicious. The samosas are hot. The samosas smell wonderful. The samosas are crispy. The samosas taste delicious. Thank you, Appa. Thank you, Appa. Thank you, Appa. Your samosas are the best. Your samosas are the best. Your samosas are the best. Okay, students, with that we completed reading practice also. Thank you, students.